Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So if you're running an Intel-based system, then just a quick video to let you know that Intel has just released its latest Wi-Fi driver for Windows 10 and Windows 11. So if we head over to the download location, here we can see released today, the 10th of Feb, driver version and build 24.20.0, which is the latest release. And I'll leave this download link in the description. You can just click on the link for Windows 10 and Windows 11 to get your hands on this latest Wi-Fi driver. Now, just to go through the change log, and while I'm doing that, I will just leave the list of valid products for you to check out if you would be interested. First of all, there's a new option in advanced settings to toggle the channel load usage for AP selection during roaming. And then there's improved system stability and more reliable connectivity. There's also enhanced Wi-Fi sensing functionality. And then Intel says that this software version 24.20.0 has been updated to include functional updates. So there may be other minor issues addressed that will impact performance, stability, or vendor-specific functionality. And Intel says that users are encouraged to update to the latest version for the best performance. Now, although Intel does say that, what I always say with any driver is only download the latest and greatest, obviously, if you're wanting to get your hands on a new feature, or if you have a particular issue with that component or that driver. Else just ignore the driver update, because the latest and greatest drivers can cause issues if they are not needed. And a lot of Windows issues are caused by bad drivers, so just take note of that. So, new Intel Wi-Fi driver for Windows 10 and 11 is now available if you would be interested. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.